And I called her Shy Die because she wouldn't let us. She wouldn't come to the fence to eat at all. She'd hang back there.
Oh wow!
And we got a whole bag full. Princess?
Yeah.
She's old enough to have her own. Yeah, she's.
I want to stand her up out here.
Here, baby. Yeah. Ooh. Why are we oohing? They're beautiful. Ooh, you spit on me, you bad boy. He's so bad. Yeah, he does that when he's not happy with the way things are going. He's learned how to spit. He's like a camel. Come here, big man.
Question for you.
I'm feeding him and y'all are standing and watching. How's this working out?
Shoes on.
Oh. Oh. Princess. I know, we got chips. Come here. She says, I come to my name. I know my name. Come here, Diana. Yeah, come here, Diana. Diana knows her name. Blondie, you want one? She says, I don't want to get punched. Hey, Princess, I'm going to get you some more. Come on, Di. There you go. See, he's coming to punch. The boys are bad. The two black ones are boys. This one over here is a boy, but he's really sweet.
That one or the
Yes,
white one?
the white one's a female, and she wants some, but she don't want to get punched, so she's not coming around.
I got you.
What you do is you go to her.
That's a Christmas tree.
Come here, Di. Stop punching at her. Here. You can't get them all. I've gotten so frustrated with these boys before when I was vaccinating them. I put collars on them, and I took chains and I hooked them to the fence so I could deal with the girls.
Oh what?
I had to get them vaccinated. They were awful. I mean, they were just in everything.
Oh.
More? More?
Well, you're a greedy
Billy.
type, aren't you?
Oh, the boys are.
You're greedy.
Yes, they are. Look at Princess. She says, I ain't scared of him. Hand it to my girlfriend.
She said, give it to the girl.
See, he's starting to run everybody off. They haven't had treats in so long, they're aggressive. Come here, Di. It's for you. Look at how big her eyes is. She's got a pretty face.
Yeah,
She does have
Princess
a
ain't
pretty
scared
face.
of nothing.
Those are La Manchas. They're born with tiny ears. Princess is a different breed.
You want
That's why
more?
her ears are so big.
Okay, gotcha.
Stop punching. And she has, sometimes you have to throw to her so she gets at least a taste of it.
Because otherwise she's not getting it.
She won't get anything. See, he's spitting at you, demanding more. There's bits and pieces everywhere, guys. You just got to look.
Here. You did? Hey, what about the baby? The other one. Give it to that one.
I know, darling. We're going to get you some.
Good job, monkey. Good job. I see you. I'm going to get you too.
Come on, Mama. Come over here to the fence. She will eventually come to the fence. The problem is you'll be done with the bag of food. She does work her nerve up.
The thing is, even if you throw it to her, she only gets like 1 or 2 pieces. Maybe.
She doesn't want to get punched,
I
yeah.
don't blame her. I would want to either. Uh-oh. Don't spin
Or
it.
they'll get it.
Yeah, if he can, he'll push the fence towards you and break it up. Big Daddy said, no, it's all mine. It's all mine.
Want some more?
Princess was coming back. She says, I'd like some more, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Diana says, I would like some more too, please. Thank you very much.
Y'all are sweet.
Aren't they pretty girls?
So beautiful. So beautiful.
I enjoy this so much, just coming down and messing with these goats.
So sweet. Except for you two, y'all are mean.
Yeah, they're going to get it all.
Bullies.
They are. They're going to get it all. You see how fat they are, don't you? The boys are constantly
Some of
grabbing.
the few that are brave enough to let you pet them, though. A lot of them will learn from you. They won't.
Oh.
So it's kind of a double-edged sword with the boys.
Well, that didn't work out too well, did it, girls?
Oh, they'll figure it out.
I had Princess to where she'd come up to the fence, the bigger fence, not the smaller fence, and she'd stick her head through, and I'd cram a mouthful of chips in, and of the broken pieces, and she'd walk off.
I'm sorry.
I know you were expecting it from me, aren't you, big girl? She said, but she's got the bag. She says, I know how to put my head down in the bag and get them out, too. She taught me how to do that, too.
Here, feed it to her. Here. Give it to her.
You gotta guide her hand.
Good job, Monkey. You did it. You did it.
It gets to the point where you don't want to give the boys any because they
that's just
shove.
trash.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, there's
But it's
lots
hard
of
not to,
trash.
'cause they just-
To get them to get out of the way. Sure. Princess is
Don't
back.
put your hand in there. No, ma'am. Be careful.
She's got little fingers.
Yeah, that would be a
And they will accidentally grab your fingers. They're not interested in biting people or anything. They're just grabbing food. I mean, they're like deer.
Yeah.
Look,
I
Princess.
remember one time, I remember the first time I ever fed a little, I think it was a pygmy goat.
Mhm.
Little baby goat. It was so cute. Are you hungry too?
Is that good? Was it good? Princess, I don't have it today, do I? She says, why ain't you got the bag, girlfriend? You usually have the bag, girlfriend. Yeah, see how she knows how to take a mouthful. She's smart.
She is smart.
Diana knows how to do that too. But Diana's mouth's a little big for these squares. She might not be able to get it to go in.
We did it! Yay!
They're trying to get some food. Princess, she doesn't have treats, baby girl. Watch the child with the truck coming, Ezra. For some reason, when I'm down here messing with the goats, people want to speed by. Maybe they speed by all the time, and I just don't notice it because I'm way up in the middle of the property.
A lot of times I go pretty fast on this road.
Yeah,
I mean, if I see people on the road, I slow down.
sure.
Not everybody does.
No, I know. Look at Diana. She says, thank you very much.
You're welcome. We're out, guys. No
Who
more.
wants to look in the bag? Are there crumbs?
There are crumbs.
Oh, look. This is what they have to know. It's empty. It's empty. It's gone. It's gone.
No, ma'am.
You want to see?
Yes, baby.
You want to see? You want to see? It's gone. It's gone. Yeah. It's. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Was this
Nice
fun?
meeting you guys. Can you say thank you?
Bye, Diana. You got
Goat?
some chips.
Goat. Goat.
Bye, Blackjack.
Come here.
Say bye from Cooper's Farm. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.